Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about all new series of 2020 Apple lineups. As we know, we are few months away from the launch of new 2020 iPhone series which are expected in October or November 2020. But there are already dozens of rumors about the upcoming devices. According to the expert, we are expecting 4 models in 2020 from iPhone to be called as iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. The 2020 iPhone series will feature major update introducing some of the first design change that we are seeing since the iPhone X was released in 2017. We are expecting 4 iPhones in 3 display sizes which will be like iPhone 12 will be 5.4 inches OLED display in 4GB RAM, iPhone 12 Max will be 6.1 inches OLED display with 4GB RAM, iPhone 12 Pro will be 6.1 inches OLED display with 4GB RAM and iPhone 12 Pro Max will be 6.7 inches OLED display with 4GB RAM. For all the 4 models, iPhone will give 64GB, 126GB, 256GB and 512GB storage space. Rumors suggest that the iPhone 12 Pro Max and 12 Pro model will be higher end devices with triple lens camera. All phones in 2020 are expected to feature OLED display technology regardless of price, and a 120 GHz ProMotion refresh rate would be including in the sum of the higher end models. Design wise, rumors suggest the iPhone coming in 2020 will feature a significant design with a metallic frame similar to the frame of the iPhone 4 or the iPad Pro. The metallic frame is said to be reduced in negative impact and provide high frequency transmission efficiency on the internet antenna to provide the better internet speed. The price tag of iPhone 12 will be 48,000 rupees, iPhone 12 Max will be 55,000 rupees and iPhone 12 Pro will be 64,000 rupees and iPhone 12 Pro Max will be 81,000 rupees. Whereas iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max will come with 12 megapixel at f2.2 telephoto lens and the fourth sensor 3D camera. The first will be wide lens camera, second will be telephoto lens camera, third will be ultra wide camera and fourth will be LiDAR sensor. With this powerful camera you can also record 4K video at 240 fps. This is something that no other mobile brand has achieved this camera technology so far. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Max model will be lower end iPhone with dual lens camera and LiDAR sensor with a more affordable price tag. First camera will be ultra wide, second camera will be wide lens and third camera will be LiDAR sensor. The LiDAR sensor is used to measure the distance from the sensor to around the object that are up to 5 meters away to get the perfect picture. Upcoming iPhone 12 series, they might not ship power adapter in the box. Apple is planning to remove the adapter from the box in order to cut down on iPhone 12 production cost as 5G support has become expensive. Instead, Apple will release a new USB Type-C 20 watts power adapter as an optional accessories for existing iPhones, which can be purchased separately. Also, A14 Bionic chip will feature 15% increase in performance and a 30% reduction in power consumption as compared with prior A13 Bionic chip. The A14 Bionic chip will force on speeding up artificial intelligence and AR tasks. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give us the thumbs up, and guys, do not forget to subscribe our channel and comment your thoughts on new 2020 iPhone series 12.